All right, I'm back with our new video series, What About Hurricanes, and is my home strong enough? And I just want you guys to kind of check this out here. Above every window and at the bottom of every window is all concrete, solid. So at the top, that's what's called a header. It's a U-shaped concrete block basically, and they fill it full of concrete. And that's the top of your window, and the bottom of your window is a windowsill, and that's a solid piece of concrete, and that's concreted into the home also. And then I was talking about the little openings down here at the bottom before, and I want you to see how they wire the rebar in together. So before they had the little short rebars in here that went up about 4 blocks, but now they drop a piece of rebar down through the block from all the way to the top down into the bottom, and they wire it together, and then they're going to fill that block full of concrete. So basically that whole wall, or pretty close to it, is all going to be concrete, because it's going to go pretty much a full block wide. There might be a couple that doesn't have concrete in it, but most of them will. And then here, we'll step around here kind of show you guys this also, and see all those openings, they're going to be rebar. And then here, that's what your pillars look like inside. See how they do the rebar in here and it drops down into the bottom? That's going to be filled completely full of concrete, so it's going to make a great structure, very nice and strong. And this is what I was talking about with the U-shaped block at the top. I want you guys to check this out real quick, and then we'll be done for this one. Every one of those openings all the way down through there will be full of concrete. Very nice. Nice, strong home.